What's up, YouTube? Humel's Fan Channel here, and I'm starting a new series called 153 Garbage. First episode, we have this heritage right from home, or whatever the hell it's called. It doesn't matter, because it's 52 inches, it sucks, and it has a 153 in it. Here's low speed. Here's medium speed. I mean, it's blowing a little bit, but not a lot. I would say this is 2000 CFMs. And high speed is like mad slow, and it doesn't even have a back capacitor.
Oh, it's not full. That's not bad. So, then if you look at it,
The only thing cool about it is the medallion up there, really.
yeah, really. I mean, I like the way it. Nah, I can't say that.
Yeah, the thing is, it has like a really small motor in there.
Yeah, and it's going kind of slow. I mean, it's not too bad, I guess.
Oh, it's still on. I don't know how much these cost, but they're definitely not worth the money.
Can't be. I guarantee.